So not sure if any of you guys have been wondering, but in case you're wondering where I've been, yeah, I've just been soundproofing this room. It is a legendary epic task. I know I've kind of showed you a couple times here, but yeah, trying to just get this done. It is a painstaking process. I've literally had to super glue every one of these velcros to the panels. Oh, they're not there. There's a few of them in there that I've already done, but yeah, just trying to get them all kind of put together so they'll actually stick on the wall and not fall off. I got my magic mesh in here today, so I put that up, and then so we got a little bit of a barrier at least, and then it'll have a couple of layers on the door there, so then it'll at least kind of dampen the sound a little bit. Yeah, it's been a pretty epic task, but we're slowly getting there. Eventually this whole room will be blacked out. I am gonna put actually a sub, or like a floor in here, just like another kind of level of soundproofing. That a lot of people are kind of wondering, like, why would I do that? I have nobody under me, but the reason is I just want to isolate this whole room so that it's like as quiet as possible on the outside, and that's one good way to do it, because I will have quite a bit more stuff in here when it's all done. Yeah, so not really a whole much to show you right now, but just showing you guys so that you're not wondering why I'm missing or anything like that. Just figured I'd show you what was up. So yeah, if you don't hear from me in a bit, you'll know why, but I will be slowly trying to get stuff together here, but we will speak again soon. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. Once this stuff is all done and I got a few projects finished up here, then I'll be able to actually do some cool stuff, but for now just working away. But we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.